Now students, let us move to question number 9. Now this is one very important question. Carefully understand this question. In this question it is written that if a capacitor of plate area this, plate separation this is connected to supply of 100 volt, then calculate capacitance, voltage, charge, electric field and energy stored. That means 5 parameters are asked of a parallel plate capacitor. And then it is written a 3 mm mica sheet of dielectric constant 6 is inserted between the plates. Then what are the new values of above parameters in case if the battery is connected and if the battery is disconnected? So overall we have 3 cases in this question. First of all, using the datas initial, we will calculate these 5 parameters. Let us start now. The area of parallel plate capacitor is given, plate separation means small d is given and supply is given. Now the datas are similar to that previous question number 8. So we can pick the values from there. So capacitance original value we will write C0. And the formula of capacitance of parallel plate capacitor is A epsilon 0 by D. It was mentioned in the previous sheet. So using area and D separation and epsilon 0 value, we will get the answer 18 picofarad. We used the formula here A epsilon 0 by D. Okay. Now second term is voltage. Voltage of the capacitor is voltage of the battery, that is 100 volt. Then charge. Charge formula Q can be calculated with C into V formula. So C 18 pico and V 100. So 18 into 100 into pico we have to put here. So final answer will be obtaining. So Q0 charge value original is obtained. Then fourth data is electric field. Electric field formula is always obtained with the help of voltage. So voltage upon distance is called the electric field formula. Voltage is 100 volt and D distance between the plates is 3 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter. So this way we will get the electric field original answer. And then the last data is energy stored. So energy of the capacitor is half of CV square. So substituting C and V values here, we will be getting the energy answer in joule. That means you can see using the formulas which we have already derived, we can easily get these 5 datas. So capacitance, voltage, charge, electric field and energy are calculated here. Now till here we have simply used the formulas. So capacitance formula A epsilon 0 by D, voltage is from battery, charge Q formula CV, electric field formula V by D and energy formula half of CV square. Okay, now let us proceed to important part of the question that says that a 3 mm mica sheet of dielectric constant 6 is inserted. So now you can see that medium of the parallel plate capacitor is changed. Earlier it was air and now it is changed to mica. That means now it is dielectric medium. And the thickness of the mica sheet and plate separation is same. That means the medium mica is completely filling the space between the plates. So dielectric constant is given 6. And now the values of all the 5 parameters we have to again find, but again the B case is divided. The second part is again divided into 2 parts, when battery is connected and when it is disconnected. So let us divide it into 2 parts and understand the question. See, first of all, the new values we will write in dash. So all the 5 values we will write in dash. Now first parameter is capacitance. Now capacitance is decided by the medium. So whatever change we have done in the medium, that we have to apply. So if a dielectric medium is filled, so dielectric constant is 6, which we can call epsilon r or capital K. So whenever we have to talk about new capacitance C dash, so whenever the plates are completely filled with the medium, then C dash is epsilon r times of original or K times of original. You can see it in the derivations. So what we have to do, capacitance is increased by K times. K is 6 given in the question. So 6 times the original value. Original values are written already here. So we will be using these values. So 6 into 18, 108 picofarad. Now this capacitance change, these capacitances values, whether the battery is connected or battery is disconnected. Capacitance is decided by the medium. So in both the cases, capacitance will increase by epsilon r times or K times. So this parameter you have to always solve in the similar manner for both the cases. Now let us focus on the voltage thing here. When battery remains connected, that means the new voltage and old voltage are same, because still the battery is connected. So voltage across the capacitor will remain 100 volt now also. Okay, now let us proceed in this direction first. If V dash and C dash are solved, we can solve Q dash, that means new charge. So Q equal to CV formula, so C dash V dash. In that we will apply the solved values. C dash is K times C0 and V dash is V0. This way you can see if C0 V0 is separated as Q0, you can see that charge Q dash becomes K times of Q0. Next is electric field is solved with the help of voltage per unit distance. Since in case of battery connected, voltage is remaining unchanged, so electric field is also remaining unchanged. Then energy is solved with half of C dash V dash square. Apply the changes. C dash is K times C0, V dash is unchanged V0. So this way you can see only one K factor is extra obtained. So K times the original energy. Original energy is written. Okay, that means now when battery is connected, then voltage remains unchanged, so electric field also remains unchanged. These two parameters go together. Charge can be obtained with the help of capacitance and voltage, and in the same manner with the capacitance and voltage, energy can also be obtained. Now let us focus on the second part, battery disconnected. Capacitance we have already discussed that it will be decided by the medium. Now in case of battery disconnected, we have to keep the charge constant. That means whatever charge was supplied to the capacitor by the battery, now since the battery is disconnected, so more charge cannot come from anywhere. So charge value will remain same. And now because charge and capacitance idea we have, so we can now calculate voltage V dash. V dash is Q dash by C dash. Let us put the applied changes. Q dash is Q0, C dash is K times C0. So you can see Q0, C0 is separated. We are getting V0 by K. Thus voltage factor, voltage decreases because 1 by K we are getting. Since electric field goes along with voltage, so if voltage decreases by K, electric field will also decrease by K. You can see the solution. And last is the energy part. Energy is half of C dash V dash square. Capacitance is increased by K times and voltage is decreased by K times. So finally 1 K will be cancelled and we are left with U0 by K. So you can notice here that battery remains connected, voltage and electric field are same, and battery disconnected, charge is same. Now to learn these parameters, one table is to be given to you. Carefully note down this table